Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Jain, and through this video I'm just gonna explain you how can you set up the Selenium environment for any of the project on the Eclipse side. So as you know that the Selenium is the tool through which we can just automate the testing of these stable web applications, right? So let me just take you to the journey how you can just set up the Selenium environment for you with the Eclipse for any of the project. So the very first requirement is to just get the Selenium related jar which you will be requiring when you will be creating the Selenium environment on Eclipse. So here is the HTTPS link which I have mentioned on my deck. You can just take a pause and you can just type it on a Google. Even you can search on Google as well. So when you will just click on this, you will be prompted to this page. Right here you can see the two things: Selenium standalone server. Right, to download Selenium standalone server you have to click on this download version 2.5.10. right, so let me just click on this. Right, so the moment you will click on this, the download of this standalone Selenium server will start. Along with that, you will be requiring, as you will be aware of that, the Selenium supports number of the programming languages like Java, she has Ruby, Python, and the JavaScript. So what you have to do is, suppose if we want to automate the testing for the web application by using the Java as a programming language, you have to click on this. You will get the download for this. So till the time it is getting downloaded, since I have already downloaded that, so you will get the for Selenium standalone server you will get the jar, and for the Java programming client version you will get the zip file. So you have to just unzip that I have already done it. Right, so this is the jar which you will get after just clicking on that download for the Selenium server standalone, and this is the zip file which you will get for the Java programming. So I have already the unzip this Selenium file, and it's gonna look like this. Right, so how you can set up this? So this is just the prerequisite. So you will be requiring these two things, right? The Java programming client version and the Selenium server standalone. These two you have already downloaded. Now come to the Eclipse side. Let me just open one. So let me just create one Java project. Right, let me just give the name of this Selenium demo. Right, let me just click finish. So now, so this is my Selenium demo project. So now I need to just set up the Selenium for this project. Right, so how I'm gonna do this is just right click on this. Okay, then just click on the build path, just, and after that you have to click on the configure build path. You will be prompted to this Java build path library. If not, if you just prompted on any of this, I mean the option which you are seeing on the my left side, so you have to click on Java build path and go to the library. Right, click on add library, click on user library, make it next user library. Right, you can just create the new one. I'm just Selenium server. Click OK. Here you have to add the external jar into this. So which one you have to do? Since it's a Selenium, I'm just gonna add this. So that is done. Right, now I have to to create the another library, and I'm gonna give the name of Selenium client Java. I'm just gonna click OK. Now I have to add the jar to this. So I have, as I mentioned, that I have already the unzip. This is the jars which you will get after unzip the Java client version. You have to add these two, and along with this again you have to add few more. You have to go to the libs and you have to select all of them, and you have to add these jars as well. So from the jar perspective, you are done. So now what you have to do is you have to just so you have to just so now you have added all the jars which are required for the server as well as for the client. Now press the OK button. Okay, you have selected these two. press finish. So these two where you have added the client related jars and the server related jars, just press OK. So you are fine, you have added all of the required jars. So now this project you can just automate, you can just use the Selenium related stuff to just automate the any web application you want, right? So what I did is I have one the running program for your demo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna explain you what exactly I'm doing with this. Okay, this is the one which I have created. So let me just copy this, let me just put it here. So I don't think so that would be required. So as for the setup perspective, we are fine over here. So that's it from my side on this. So thanks for watching this video. If you want to to see how exactly the program runs over here, what you have to do and what all things, you just wait for my next video. There I will be using the same project to just explain how you can just write the small Selenium automated test for any of the website or any of the web application. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to give me the comment in the comment box, or if you have any any suggestion on this, what you can do is you can always you can write me an email on my ID, and my ID is Vardaman Android 2015 at gmail.com. Thanks for watching this, and I'll just wait for you the response. Thank you.